Ever wonder what a Canadian winter does to an entryway, especially with a big family? Let me show you. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Francine, a mom of 5 living abroad, and today I'm tackling a long overdue project, cleaning and organizing our entryway after a Canadian winter. If you're new here, we moved to Canada last June. On this channel, I share what it's really like to settle into a new country with a big family, from everywhere routines to bigger life changes. So as you can see, winter definitely left its mark. Boots, shoes, bags everywhere. And yes, even after a year, we're still unpacking. Today, I'm finally giving this space the love it deserves. I'll be storing away our winter gear, cleaning the floors, organizing our shoe rack, making room for spring and summer. Grab a coffee or clean along with me, and let's turn this chaos into calm together. Along the way, I noticed some shoes haven't been worn since we arrived in Canada, so they are headed to the donation bin to help someone in need. Next, I gave the floor a deep clean. Now it's time for laundry. We have to clean all the winter jackets and save them for next winter. And last but not the least, it's time to organize our books. Yes, the ones we brought during our move and still hadn't unpacked. And after all that work, it was finally time to enjoy a well-deserved, delicious and healthy breakfast. Oh, what a difference. It feels so good to finally check this off the list. But this is just the beginning. In my next videos, I'll be decorating this entryway to make it both cozy and functional for our big family. Starting a backyard and front yard makeover now that the snow is finally gone. So if you love home organization, seasonal transitions, and real-life moments from a family living abroad, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for being here. À bientôt. Bye bye.